It's currently 4:46. There's supposed to be like a massive snowstorm or something, and it's snowing a lot. And I'm gonna see how big it's gonna get. Here's the snow right now. We'll see if it gets any worse. Yesterday there was a huge windstorm. My trampoline flew away, and we got it back. But this is how it looks. Yeah, the wind is getting stronger. No, it's 4:50. It's hardly been 2 minutes. And it's really cold. Came inside to get gloves because it's really getting cold. Me and my cameraman will now play catch in the wind and snow. Okay, we're gonna play catch now. The wind moved it. Nice catch. Yeah. So we're gonna be doing this. I'll come back if it gets worse. The cameraman has left because it got cold, and yeah, it's getting pretty cold. The storm's dying down a little. 4:55. Oh yeah, and my basketball hoop fell down because of the wind yesterday, so that's great. And the backboard broke, so my nose is getting really red, so I might go in soon. 4:57. I checked what the weather was. It's 33 degrees, and there was like a hazard thing, triangle thingy-majig, and it said blizzard warning. I'm gonna see when the blizzard is. And there's a chance of rain that I think is going to become snow, so yeah. The snow's starting to pick up again, and so is the wind. The grass. That's not good. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 to this short because it's getting close to 3 minutes, so yeah. And I think I might want to go inside, have some hot cocoa, and then come back. But we still have a bunch of time, so yeah. I just realized if I stand still like I am right now, I get warmer. Pretty cool. The fireplace we have outside of my house, yeah, and I think it contains water because it looks like it's pretty solid into the ground. So I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye.